Sabay tayo, ah.
Boing.
Ay, tumalbog! Sorry.
For our next game, we will need 2 volunteers. Again, 2 ways to volunteer. One is to raise your hand, and one is to point at someone that you would like to see. Ito, meron dito.
Sa likod!
So we have one from here.
And we also have one over here.
I am Shali.
Everyone, this is Shali. Round of applause for Shali. Round of applause for our 2 volunteers. So Shali will be holding this. Tyne will be holding a microphone as well. Because, ayan, dalawa. Papu and Bibay will be acting out a scene. And in this scene, they're going to need some sound effects. So, Shali is the sound effects of Bibay. So if Bibay says something like this,
Andiyan na yung Shopee rider.
Brum, 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 brum.
round of applause. Beautiful. And Ty, you're going to be the sound effects of Papu. So if Papu says this,
Oh my God, aso!
round of applause. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is sound effects.
Hay nako, Tonyo. Ayokong lumabas dyan at maiinitan ako. Buti na lang meron akong gluta lotion. Ito, oh. Napaka-potent nito.
Alam mo, Mary Beth, you should go out. I mean, look at the wind. It's different today.
Fine, lalabas ako. Kukuha muna ako ng payong. What is this?
Mary Beth, I made you something. Bubuksan ko lang, ah. Sorry, medyo mabigat.
Wow! Napakaraming
Touch it.
bato!
Malambot
Malambot
na
ang
bato.
bato.
Alam mo, Mary Beth, kasi yung kapitbahay natin, napansin ko,
Oh.
nangunguha ng sampay. So naisip ko, ibato natin doon. Try it.
Sige, doon na. Babato ko malayo, ha. Ito.
Plok.
Malambot. Malambot talaga eh.
Kailangan ata sinishake.
Ako rin. Magsishake rin ako.
Ayan.
Sabay tayo, ha.
Boing. Plok.
Ay, tumalbog! Sorry. Mary Beth, meron pa akong isang surprise for you.
Ano yon?
Nakikita mo tong palayok?
Palayok!
Basagin mo! Sige,
O
go!
sige, isasaro ko muna ang umbrella.
Oo.
Oo.
Virtual.
Parang robot.
Oo.
Ayan, ha. Ito na. 1, 2, 3.
Vlog.
Nahulog.
Nahulog.
Oh, sorry. Ako na lang. Perang payong. Ready? Oh!
Ayan! Oh my gosh! Ang ganda nitong
Puppy!
puppy!
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bibay, Papu, and our 2 brave volunteers.
Spit Manila